predominantly, what our people do around this area, that is the northern sector, and particularly in the northern region, basically we do agriculture. And 70 to 80% of our people are involved in agriculture. And so we are looking at how to bring programs that every youth will have an opportunity to be involved in agriculture. For instance, the government has a central or a national policy that it has, that we call planting for food and jobs. And that is a very, very, very big opportunity for the youth who are not employed to get employed. Look, it's open. Everybody who can get a piece of land can come and register. And all that we do is to make sure that we give them fertilizers, the inputs, let me put it in general, the farming inputs at a very, very, very reduced rate, of which government has taken about 50% of the cost and given 50%. So it's more like a subsidy.
Is this program very functional right now?
Very, very, very functional. Our problem is the youth. They don't want to be involved. As I speak, I got a letter from the Ministry of Agriculture, and specifically signed by the ministry, that they don't need less than 20,000 farmers for the planting for food and jobs. Last year we didn't do well. We had about 3,600 people coming, almost 3,700. And so that is not very good. So if you go to the warehouse currently, you still find that we have lots of agri inputs lying down. The seed, the fertilizer, we didn't get people to participate. And so we are going to roll out an educational program to get more of the youth to go into agriculture.